Hey guys, I'm Hannah Bronfman. I'm the founder of a wellness destination site called hbfit.com. I have my first book coming out this January called Do What Feels Good, Recipes, Routines, and Remedies to Treat Your Body Right. I'm going to showcase Blue Magic. It's an extract of spirulina, which I'm sure you guys are kind of familiar with. It's chock full of antioxidants, so I'm going to show you how I like to use it. We have a secret ingredient in here called pearl powder. It's very good for cell rejuvenation, making it a very, very beauty-rich ingredient. I'm just gonna give this another 5 more seconds, but it looks pretty good. And here you have your Blue Magic beauty butter. Tastes great on any sorts of fruits, on any sort of granolas, spread on a piece of toast, and you are getting all the antioxidant and beautifying benefits of Blue Magic and pearl powder. Full disclaimer, I just want to let you know now that I understand that Blue Magic smells funky. It smells like fish food. Don't forget, it's blue-green algae. It comes from our oceans. But I can guarantee you, it tastes nothing like how it smells. In fact, it's so delicious, I'm gonna eat it with a spoon. So this is an alternative way of using Blue Magic, but this time in the form of a cocktail. I love a good drink, but we all know that drinking causes inflammation, and Blue Magic is anti-inflammatory. So I decided to use it in a cocktail that's super delicious, and let's give it a go. So this is kind of a take on a pina colada, just because of the ice and the passion fruit and the coconut. Then you've got this vibrant color of the Blue Magic. It's excellent. This cocktail is called the Blue Agave, and that is because I use tequila, which is from an agave plant. This is kind of my take on a mule. Mules are not traditionally served with tequila, but I love a tequila mule, and so this is kind of like my own version of that. And I'm just going to add 1 splash of bitters just at the end. This literally tastes like a fresh tequila mule. I mean, it's got the ginger, it's got a little bit of the orange in it that you can taste. The color is gorgeous. Again, you can't really taste the Blue Magic, but you're getting all the benefits of it. So that concludes my Blue Magic segment for today, and I hope you guys get a chance to check out these different cocktails and recipes using this superfood ingredient. And that's all for now.